Please, ma'am, kami mag-iwan sa table ng provide.
I don't know. It depends.
Ito ko sa ibang sabihin.
Okay, are we okay? So now, let us, kung sa itong i-calculate ani? pH, gikan sa Ka. Karon mo compute na po ta Ka, gikan sa pH. The same kaya po nag-approach, if you have this problem here, isuot kaya po na ito ang atong chemical equation. Ang equilibrium constant expression. No? Product over reactant. Okay. Pagkahuman, anak, tanawin din nato unsay given. Unsa may given? pH. Unsay hatag? pH. Okay. If we will have the ICA table, you have HA, H plus A minus. If you will have the ICA, what does it mean? Naatay 0.1, 0 minus x plus x plus x. This is 0.1 minus x, x, and so ang atong equilibrium constant now will be, but if you notice, your H plus is equal to x. Are you with me? Okay, kung atong isuat, ngayon na siya x times x over 0.1 minus x. Okay, ang atong H plus is equal to x. Okay. So, in order to get the H plus, which is equal to x, we have to get the given the pH of 2.30. Are you with me? So what is now the H plus is 10 to the power of negative 15. Pila man ang 10 to the negative 15. Pila? Nana nila o? Pila?
139.8.
Ha?
139.8.
Pila? 10 to the negative 2.38. What is the answer? 4.2 times 10 to the negative 8. Are you with me? So, karon, kapag nataka mo siya ang x. So, ang atong Ka is 4.2 times 10 to the negative 3 squared over 0.1 minus 4.2 times 10 to the negative. Actually, if you write this one 0.004, so pila yung answer ani. Actually, legible na gani ni kumpara din, di ba? Pwede rin na ito nataglan. Same na ang answer. So if you will have to do that one, you get Ka as 1.8 times 10 to the negative 4. Did you get it? No? We could compute it based on our pH by getting where is the A plus. Any question at this point? Next is we will have to deal with polyprotic acid. As to the polyprotic acid, please take note that this is now the proper assignment of, if you have HA, it dissociates to H plus A minus. Are you with me?
Yes.
This has a corresponding A. And this is a constant. Did you get it? So, pila ka H plus sa tumikuha? Isa na. No, kaya isa lang. Always yun na, always. Are you with me? So, karon, if you have pila ka H ang nakalagay. Pila ka H? 3. You can never have it as dili mo siya pwede. Diretso na nakalagay instead, one at a time. So, H3PO4. Tuwaan sa natong isa ka H plus. Pili mabili. H2PO4. What is the charge here? 0. So, karon masiro kung sa charge namin. Are you with me?
Yes.
So, kini siya, na siya Ka1. Are you with me? Next. Kini, atong weak acid, kini, conjugate, okay, mo din sila ipapas. Ang Ka din nila, kini ang Ka1. However, if you notice, na siya proton pa, wala. Napa siya H plus? Napa. So, pwede pa nato ni siya mahimong. Waan na po nato usa ka H plus. Unsay mabili? H3O4. Unsay charge? Negative 1 man yun. Negative 2. Negative 2 plus positive 1. Negative 1. Pareha sila dito. Pareho ang both sides sila. This is again Ka. So, sa Ka2, mo niya, kung weak acid, mo po na kung conjugate, base 2 in kaya pa rin siya. Kaya pa. Napamayo sa kabuk. So, you now have HPO4 2 minus. You now have H plus PO4. You will have 1Ka. So, if you have Ka3, ang imong conjugate base ana kini, ang imong uric acid kini. Did you get it? Pwede ilahos? Dili. This can never be the uric acid and this is the conjugate. This is wrong. Instead, kini imong uric acid, kini nagyud ang imong conjugate. Okay. If I have these 3 pens, na yung mga ayo. Dali reha kami. Kaya na pa magkuliwa. That's why kung sila ang Ka 0.00. Tama, eh. 0.00. Dua na lang. Pagayoon ko ng imong isa. Wala pa. Kaya sabi, wala ka na yung kurso sa saan na lang. Diba, a little bit, mapawag. That's why, ang Ka niya, isog kay lihat natin ng H plus. Ayan Ka here is 0.00000. A, 6, ikapito kasi mas lisod ko. Samot pag-yod isa na lang iniwan, ibiyata si Mother Teresa na giving until it hurts. Lisod biya kayo, di ba? So, muna, 10 to the negative. Did you get it? No? So, ang Ka-ani, gamay na kayo ang H plus contribution ang kumpara sa pinaka. Did you get this one? And another thing, class, is that, as I have mentioned, kini siya nakuhaan is only kini o kini. Kung kini ay mong kini gamito, katong Henderson as a map, diba? Henderson as a pH is equal to pKa plus log of the conjugate base over the with acid. So, kung kini na kini mong gamiton, ang imong conjugate base, kini po with acid. Kung kini mong gamiton, kini mong conjugate base with acid. Kung kini mong gamiton mo, yung conjugate base with acid. Dili pwede na dilation mo. Any question? Unlike if you have a salt. A salt is completely dissociated. So, completely dissociated ang limong salt. Kini, diretso siya mabuntag sa dito. So, if this is 0.1, this is also 0.1. But in this case, if this is 0.1, this is pretty smaller than 0.1. Any question on polychloric acids? If there's none, then proceed.